Hi friends, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making tiramisu chia pudding. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more of my content. And let's just get right into it. Oh, but first I want to thank Javy Coffee for collaborating with me in this video. They sent me this package and I just thought I'll share with you guys what's in here. I already opened it, so I know what's inside, but I still want to share it with you guys. And when you open it, we have the main product. And this is how it looks like. So what I really love about Javy is their commitment to quality and sustainability. They only source coffee from small and reliable farmers and farms that are fair trade and organic. And they're really committed to sustainability. That's why they have this glass packaging. There are just so many single cup coffees that get wasted yearly. So in a way, by offering this microdose coffee in a premium bottle, they're helping to they're helping to reduce waste. So I'm gonna show you what else is inside. We also have this mason jar. It just says Javy. And we also have this reusable plastic cup that also says Javy, and this actually came with a straw. There you go. And lastly is my favorite freebie. It's this tote bag that says Javy Coffee. I really love the color and how it looks like, and I'm just so excited to use it. If you're interested in getting Javy Coffee, please check my description box down below and use my link. But other than that, let's get right into the recipe.